Welcome to this episode of Simple Yet Savory. One of my favorite things to eat is porridge. It's perfect when you're not feeling well, when it's cold outside, or just when you're craving some comfort food. Although the process to make porridge the traditional way is quite time consuming. I've burnt so many pots just from adjusting the heat too often and from not stirring enough. And I just don't have the attention span for it. Although my mom has taught me a few shortcuts, which we'll share with you. She's been my inspiration when it comes to cooking. Growing up, we've spent years in the kitchen just helping her, and I'm super grateful for that experience. It's taught us to be more self-sufficient and resourceful. And so now we're going to show you how to make porridge more efficiently. For this simplified meal, we'll need rice, chicken stock with fish sauce added, shallots, ginger since it adds some spice, and it also provides us with so many health benefits. For a garnish, we're using green onion as well as cilantro. And to bring back the traditional way of eating porridge, we'll add some Chinese donut slices. Then we'll drizzle some sesame oil over the porridge and add loads of fresh cracked pepper. For our protein, we used half a rotisserie chicken that was shredded. And we also used the bones from that chicken to make the stock. Alternatively, you can use beef, even abalone, which my mom has done before, egg, and any other protein. To expedite the process, we're using cooked rice. And to make the rice, we used boiling water. You want to pour the broth over the rice while it's boiling so that the cooking process is faster. And we're pouring about almost 3 quarts of broth over about 2.5 cups of rice. So we're gonna let the broth, rice, shallots, and ginger simmer on medium or medium-low for about an hour. And just make sure you stir occasionally so that the bottom doesn't burn. And we're going to close the lid so that we don't lose any moisture. So over the last hour, I was able to get some laundry done, been sipping on some wine. I did need to add more stock to the pot because it was getting too thick, and just add as much stock as needed depending on how you want the consistency of the porridge. During that time, I was able to just check back and stir every 15 minutes or so. So now we're going to add the shredded chicken. And this is actually leftover from another meal. And now we have this hearty porridge with chicken that's so comforting. Serve the porridge over some cilantro, green onion, then give it a drizzle of sesame oil and lots of fresh cracked pepper. Garnish it again with some more cilantro and green onion. We're going to top it off with some Chinese donut, and it's ready to eat. That was the Presto porridge. You can really have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's warm and soothing, and for me, nostalgic. Thank you for watching, and hope you'll tune in for the next simple yet savory meal. Please leave us any questions or comments, and we'd love to hear how it turned out for you. Until then, enjoy!
Pour myself a glass.
I've already started.
Nice. This looks amazing. What a presentation here. So good. You gotta try that. Wow.
Now we're gonna go watch a movie.
Nice.